Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the shop page title of your WooCommerce store. This is a simple but important customization that helps you brand your online shop exactly the way you want it. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account if you haven't done so already. Make sure you're logged into the account where your WooCommerce store is set up, as this is where we'll be making the changes. This step is essential because you need access to your WordPress dashboard to modify any pages on your site. Now that you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation menu. From this menu, click on Pages. This will expand to show you several options related to page management on your WordPress site. From the expanded options that appear, go ahead and click on All Pages. This action will bring up a complete list of every page currently published or drafted on your website, including the default WooCommerce shop page that we're looking to modify. Here's where the process becomes really straightforward. Scroll through your list of pages until you locate the one labeled Shop. This is the default page that WooCommerce creates to display your products. Once you've found it, hover your cursor over the shop page title. You'll notice a few quick action links appear beneath it, including options like Edit, Quick Edit, Trash, and View. For our purposes, click on Quick Edit. This will open up a compact settings panel right there on the same page, allowing you to make changes without navigating away from the list view. In the Quick Edit panel, you'll see a field labeled Title. This is where the current name of your shop page is displayed. Simply click into this field and delete the existing title, then type in the new title you want for your shop page. This could be something like Products, Our Store, or anything that fits your brand identity better. Once you've entered your new title, look for the Update button on the right side of the Quick Edit panel and click it. WordPress will save your changes immediately, and your shop page title will now reflect the new name you've chosen. And that's it. You've successfully changed the shop page title of your WooCommerce store, giving your online shop a more personalized touch that aligns with your branding. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.